Welcome to Solidum Lawyers, the channel where law comes to life and adapts to modern times. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects creators, entrepreneurs, and internet users alike: intellectual law in the digital age. Have you ever had an idea stolen? Do memes have owners? And what happens if you use a song in a video without permission? Stay with us as we unravel the key aspects of this fascinating world. We live in an era where information, creativity, and innovation are the new goal. It's no longer just about factories or physical products. Today, the real value is in ideas. But how do we protect those ideas? That's where intellectual law comes in, a set of legal rules that ensures creators are recognized and rewarded for their work. Let's think about this. An entrepreneur designs a logo for their startup. An artist uploads a song to Spotify. A software company develops a new application. What will happen if anyone could steal these creations without consequences? Chaos. That's why today we will answer three key questions to understand the importance of intellectual law in the digital age. What exactly does intellectual law protect? What are the biggest risks in the digital era? How can you protect your intellectual property online? So, let's get right into it. Intellectual law is like a giant umbrella covering several areas, but it's mainly divided into two branches: industrial property. This includes trademarks, patents, and industrial designs. It protects technological innovations, products, and commercial names. Example: Apple owns the iPhone trademark and patents every new technology it develops. Copyrights, authors' rights, protects artistic and literary creation, books, films, music, software, and digital content. Example: if you write a book, you automatically hold copyrights, even if you don't register it formally. The key takeaway: the intellectual law ensures that creators maintain control and financial benefits over their work, and that no one else profits from it unfairly. In the past, intellectual property issues happened in factories and offices. Today, they unfold on the internet, social media, and streaming platforms. Some of the biggest risks in the digital age include piracy and illegal downloads. From movies to software, the ease of copying content has cost creative industry millions. Plagiarism and content theft. Have you ever uploaded a photo or design only to find someone else using it without permission? Or worse, monetizing it, unauthorized use of trademarks and patents. Many companies have fought legal battles against businesses trying to register similar names or products to capitalize on their success. Remember, the internet is not a lawless place. Legal protections exist, but you need to know how to use them. Here's the good news. Yes, you can protect your intellectual property in the digital world. Here are key strategies to do it effectively. Register your work or trademark. Even though copyrights exist automatically, official registration gives you strong legal support if someone tries to steal your work. Use licenses. If you share content online, consider Creative Commons tools to define how others can use your work. Monitor your content. Platforms like YouTube and Google help track unauthorized use of your material. You can also use special services to detect plagiarism across the web. Legal contracts and expert support. If a dispute arises, having a legal expert can be the difference between losing everything or winning a copyright case. The bottom line: be proactive. Intellectual property is one of your most valuable assets, and protecting it is an investment, not an expense. Intellectual law is not just for artists and big corporations. Anyone who creates, innovates, or does business online needs to understand it. If you're an entrepreneur, content creator, programmer, or artist, your work has value and it must be protected. Quick takeaways: protects trademarks, patents, and copyrights. In the digital world, the biggest risks are piracy, plagiarism, and content theft. Register, monitor, and defend your intellectual property to prevent legal issues. At Solidum Lawyers, we are here to advise you and protect your rights. If you have questions or need legal support, leave a comment or contact us. Subscribe, share this video, and join the conversation. See you in the next episode.